Welcome back, YouTubers, to my YouTube channel, Get Informed Too. And today we're reviewing an app called MyScript Calculator, Handwriting Calculator. I want to take you quickly back in time. Remember, we used to come with calculators, the cashier calculators, the scientific ones. And if you had that one, you were the bomb in the class. Now, we're doing away with those calculators. I want to introduce to you, if you haven't already, MyScript Calculator, handwriting calculator. All you do on your tablet or on your iPhone, you just write with your finger there. You write the equation, and it will convert your equation into a typed equation and then also solve it for you. It's a beautiful application that I know is going to help you, especially you parents, when you're helping your children with your homework. So yeah, today it seems like a good app review for those homeworks. It's a Friday and they've got homeworks. You know how to do it. So here's how we use the app. All right, you see there, you can scribble your square root there and scratch, enter a new number or digit and gives you an answer. Yeah. So you just scribble with your finger there or your pen, and then it converts it and gives you an answer. Yeah, that's how you use the app. Very simple, handy. You write with your fingers, everything is sorted. So thank you for watching. My name is Neo Morabedi and I'm signing out. Until next time.